this place, the food. So, Councilwoman Kimberly Wormsley, social justice warrior Jasmine, and myself had dinner here 2 days ago, and I had fried chicken.
Yes.
I can't say anything because I don't want to hurt my mom.
Oh my God.
But it's really good. And Chef Delilah has a chicken and waffle cupcake, and so do you too.
Yes, we have a chicken and waffle
How long
cupcake.
have you been?
We've been creating the chicken and waffle cupcake for the past 12 years at your local farmers markets, your festivals, and we decided to develop a